In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an envelope using the Docusign Cfr Part 11 module. Whether you're dealing with important contracts, forms, or agreements, Docusign offers a seamless way to manage electronic signatures and other document-centric processes. Let's dive right into it and transform the sometimes daunting task of sending an envelope into a straightforward experience. First, you'll need to navigate to the Docusign website. It's known as a leader in electronic signature solutions, providing an intelligent agreement management system that is both secure and user-friendly. Once you're on the site, the next step is to locate the Login button. It's usually positioned in the upper right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials or sign up for an account if you haven't done so yet. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home. This dashboard serves as your central hub where you can manage all your documents and tasks. Now we're looking for the option to select a template. Templates in Docusign save you the hassle of starting from scratch every time you need to send similar types of documents. Choose a template that best fits your needs for this envelope. With a template selected, it's time to add the details. This includes important information such as the recipient's name, email address, and any message or additional instructions you want to include. If you're working with multiple recipients, you can specify the order in which they will receive and need to sign the document. Ensure that all these details are correct to avoid any delays or mishaps once the envelope is sent out. After adding all the necessary details, click on the Next button. This will guide you through the preparation process, allowing you to review everything one more time. Use this opportunity to double check your recipients, the document itself, and any field placements or annotations applied to the document. This critical review step helps uphold the integrity and legitimacy of the document exchange process. Finally, click on the Send button to officially dispatch your envelope. At this point, your work is mostly done as Docusign takes over, sending email notifications to the recipient or recipients. They will be able to access, review, and sign the document electronically from their device of choice. You can track the progress via your Docusign account, and you'll receive notifications as each recipient completes their part of the process. And that's how simple it is to send an envelope using Docusign. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and efficient document exchange process, maintaining both professionalism and convenience. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.